I'm actually trying to form a thought right now, and I'm having a difficult time.
Just getting it.
What's up, y'all? How we doing? Me and Diego just talking some biz right now. Talking a little biz.
I'm about to whip this man in pickleball.
Bro.
First try, boy.
Oh my gosh. All right.
It's the win, dude. It's the win.
Diego, you gotta get a little under that bad boy.
Yo.
Oh! 2 in a row.
Dude. Okay, hey, you're almost done.
You want 3? 3 on your head? On your head. No way. In your mouth. Bro, he's gonna get over that. No way. He's gonna hit the... Hey, we're gonna go.
Bro, where did that come from?
Diego, you almost f***ed us. You almost f***ed us, because what do we got? We have 8, they got 6 that round. Going in.
The vibrations will get it in there.
On the board. You have to make it on the board.
14, 8 points right now on the board. 1 shot to win it all.
No!
If you would have put that one in, though, they would have scratched.
Yeah, I'm trying to hit 3. It's like, oh, that was a good game. GG. You have that shit on lock, boy.
Good game. Good freaking game. You know what? We lost, and I'm sad.
Championships.
MVP right here. Just put the team on his back. I did not do shit, but
scored 1 million
dubs.
points.
You know, it is what it is, man. You're gonna have to get 10 more beers, so we'll take the L.
10 more beers. 1 more Creed album, please.
Game interview. How do you feel?
Yeah, I've got reports that you guys were cheating.
Why?
Yeah, it's been reported. You guys were using some foreign substance to make the bag stick better to the board. Got reports called in. If you want to know who I am, yeah. Deputy Susong, Austin Police Department. I'm the newest detective here in town, so just know if
Did you hear we were putting ball sweat on the bags? Is that what it was?
I did sniff it and confirmed it was ball sweat, so it's been confirmed.
I don't know what the name of this video is yet, but I just wanted to talk about some things that helped us dramatically when we were scaling from brand new offers, scaling from 0 to up towards $1 million a month when we were running sales teams in the agency. Because we built these sales teams from scratch, hired everyone, built the sales process, even helped the business owners like put together the offer, quote unquote. Some of the things, if you're a sales rep watching this, it might not really mean that much to you, but if your team isn't doing these, like you could probably be making a lot more money if they start. But one of those things is sending blue text messages. So maybe you've heard of like SendBlue or some of these other companies out there that integrate with your CRM to let you send iMessages. That shit is serious, man. Our confirmations skyrocketed, our convos skyrocketed, follow-ups skyrocketed, like everything with the clients, like they just had so much more trust in what we were doing. This company we use, they literally have a warehouse full of iPhones plugged into chargers, and that's how they do this. So I don't know how many iPhones they have. By doing that, we were able to get around A2P, like wait times and delays, or any kind of like, sometimes when you send too much volume, you have to like go through like, I don't even know what it's called, but they pause you for 24 hours and it's a weird A2P thing. So SendBlue is the company that we use. I don't have an affiliate link. I should, but that's the first thing that we did that made such a big difference was we just started sending blue messages, man. People like blue messages. If you're watching this, the odds that you don't like blue messages more than green they're pretty high. Wait. The odds that you do like them more is pretty high if you have an iPhone. If you don't have an iPhone, you're screwed. We just ate some dinner, and now we're chilling out, playing some cornhole at this spot. How do you say it? Bolden Acres. Bolden Acres in Austin. Pretty chill spot. First time here. Had to show my boys how to get it in the hole, and that's what we're doing. So Diego's working on his form over there. Noah's got the button down off. It's getting serious.
Getting freaking warmed up, baby.
So we're about to switch teams and run it back, but more tips coming to you guys in a sec.
Let's just stack them. That was great.
No, I need that on a reel right now.
Dude, that was fire.
Bro, if I would have
That was fire.
right there.
21.
21 right there.
21.
Easy.
Oh, dude.
Bro, locked it.
Game.
Oh, dude. That is actually insane. That was a good ass shot.
I gotta play it smart here.
Wait, I should. Yeah, I should. Oh, that's game.
Bro, did you see that?
I tried to knock his one in and I got it. Literally let him win. We lost. Good game.
Good game.
This is a post-game interview. This is after game 2. Me and Tony were up 18-12 and we absolutely just choked the entire game. Man, that brisket's sitting in my stomach, that's why. I'm blaming it on the brisket.
What'd you say?
Bro needs a toothpick because he's looking Italian. Sicilian with it.
3-time cereal sales
3-0.
cornhole winner.
Yeah, I'm honestly going to change this into a cornhole channel after what just happened tonight.
Dude, absolutely rinsed our pockets at
Hey,
one point.
I won one.
1-1 with me.
Yeah, we all won one with him. So,
Yeah, that's how we do it in Texas, man. That's where we do cornhole, you know? Tomorrow, in the peak of the hottest time of the day, where it's probably, I don't even know how hot it's going to be, but we're going to pull up to Auditorium Shores, which is like a little grass park, and just rip some spike ball, some football, volleyball, I don't know. We got a good group going. We're going to take y'all with us. What else? Diego, you pulling up?
When is it? Tomorrow? Let me check my schedule. I'm down.
Bro's checking Hinge right now.
so we're sweating like this when the sun's not out. Are you looking forward to tomorrow?
I need water.
We need more.
What's up, you guys? Playing spike ball, Auditorium Shores. Got invited by Bro back here. Spike ball. Taught me the rules in 5 minutes, so that's cool.
Is this your first time?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
First time ever, and we lost. Unlike cornhole, we lost today. Second thing that helped us scale sales team really fast from 0 to just under $1 million a month in 60 days. Talked about the blue text, very important. But this one might be a little bit controversial, so we're scaling to paid meta ad, cold audience. And a lot of people run VSLs, video sales letters. Some people will do an opt-in before. Some people will just go straight to the VSL, book a call. We stopped running VSLs and we booked more calls and made more money. What we did instead is we would include more of like a landing page with like testimonials, proof of, you know, whatever the service is, that it works, and then frequently asked questions. And we would chat GPT like the 25, 30 most frequently asked questions and answer them super in depth, and people felt like they had the answers they need to book the call. If you think about it, in this attention economy, people don't want to watch a 5-minute video to figure out like one little slice of information. So go to ChatGPT, ask it what the 30 most common objections are, or if you already know the objections, just list them out and then answer them. And you'd be surprised how many more calls you booked, and as a sales rep, how many more calls you have, but how much more money you can make. That's reason, or that's way number 2 that we scaled a sales team really fast. No more VSLs. It's old school.
Call it 9-7. I was sleeping. You good?
Got it.
Hey! Damn.
Oh, that was a good point. That was a clean.
Come at us with that hard
serve.
Oh, good recovery.
Let's go.
Yep. Yep. Gotcha. Up. Ah!
Back to you.
Yep.
Dylan, pass.
Yeah.
He's kind of nimble with it.
Yeah, what was that? Do that again. Oh.
Oh,
Boy.
gotta stay flexy, baby.
The war of 18 club right here.
And you guys the losers or what?
race. Watch this comeback.
Sure, dude.
God's good.
So you're having troubles getting this guy on the phone. What do you do in this situation, sir?
So I just call him 60 times until he answers, and I say, please, please. Nah, you don't got to put that in, but
No, I'm putting that in.
you just got to be staying caffeinated. Just stay on top of your leads, man. Speed to lead. No deals are ever dead. Just recall people that were 2-3 months ago that didn't show up, bro. They'll get revived, so hit them with a quick revive.
You guys, third thing that helped us scale from 0 to $1 million a month quickly, just like the last one, contrary to popular belief, but we used pitch decks, sales decks, and gave our sales teams those decks so that way we could just control like what everyone is saying and what everyone's showing, making sure that the process is the same across the whole team. You just have to make sure to not sell off the deck, but like use the deck as like a tool in your back pocket, basically. It is, you know, technically a PowerPoint, but you don't want it to be like a presentation. You want it to be like, you know, as you're delivering the sales pitch that you would deliver otherwise, just use it to like reinforce certain things that you're saying versus like you speaking to reinforce the deck. So it's like the opposite way. I like to do this a lot because I'm big on expectation setting, and when we're running teams, I want to make sure expectations are set for anyone we sell, and visually you can set expectations really well this way. It allows us to control the process, to test things faster. If we know that every single rep is going to be using the same slides on the deck, we can test things faster, and like if something's not working, we switch it out versus just like covering our eyes and throwing a dart at the board. So again, maybe a hot take, but we use sales decks and it really helped. And it helps when you're selling to sophisticated prospects. They like to know that stuff is concrete and real versus just like some arbitrary concept that they don't really understand. So that's number 3.
Saturdays with the boys.
It's not over. It ain't over till the fat lady sings, man. That was perfect though. Chilling. Nice. Oh, shit. I gotta get that grip, man. I gotta wear the cleats.
Oh, that would have been very cool.
So this is authentic because we're literally meeting here to play spike ball for the first time. And yeah, you live in Austin, so you're here and we're just hanging out, but you were in tech, or you're still in tech sales, right?
Yeah.
What made you decide that like I want to move from tech into this new thing?
One of the main reasons why I joined tech sales in the beginning was, of course, in sales, you learn the ability to, in order to sell yourself.
Yeah.
But whenever I came into tech sales, that's what I thought was gonna happen, but you're mainly learn how to just pitch the product, you're not really learning how to sell. And then also, as of right now, I'm the top performer in my floor, but you are absolutely capped out at $90,000, so you really can't make more than that. And there's a lot of micromanaging as well in the corporate field, but in a lot of different like tech spaces. That was the main reason why I was like, dang, dude, like last week, I used the restroom for 5 minutes. I got like messages and I got a phone call saying, where are you? Where are you? And I'm like, dude, like I'm doing well. And like they're still micromanaging me like that. That's why I was like, I want to be able to have more control over my life. That's why I'm trying to slowly transition over to high ticket remote sales.
Are you fully in office or is it hybrid?
So it's Monday through Thursday in office. Friday we get to work from home.
Yeah. Have you tried the high ticket stuff before, or is this like your first attempt at it?
This is my first ever attempt.
Okay.
My first ever attempt. Pretty excited.
What made you decide to like get into a network from the jump versus like going and doing it by yourself?
Yeah, it's just like anything, right? So, for example, if you wanted to, I used to play the piano. I used to be a competitive piano player.
Okay.
You can learn piano all yourself and try to learn a lot of things, but time is money at the end of the day. So I wanted to accelerate my growth to be the best that I could be. And I saw that you guys had a mentorship group. I actually joined a mentorship group before this. It wasn't like really one-on-one, I would say. And I saw that you guys were Austin locals as well. And I was like, dude,
we're all out here.
Yeah, I had to make the jump and just go right in.
I mean, if you're the top performer where you're at,
yeah,
it's just a matter of like getting in the right opportunity, to be honest. I mean, Diego's here, he joined, but like there was other people that were gonna come that aren't here. I don't know. He discovered us on YouTube, which is super cool to me. There's a good amount of guys in Austin. So anyways, I mean, I just wanted to kind of document like the real raw answer on like why this was like intriguing to you. Anyways.
But yeah, I'm happy to be a part of the community. I'm super excited, so.
Meet this guy, get in there, meet this guy. So,
yes,
and
sir.
meet Diego.
I'll see y'all in the community.
So that was a video. Did a little bit of this, a little bit of that. If you're not subscribed to my personal newsletter, go down below. If you're not subscribed to the Because of Sales newsletter, the last episode, we got over 1,000 subscribers now, and it was with this guy that we're with, Delaney, back here. Subscribe to that. That's like my big project that I'm working towards. And if you're looking to get into a network like Brandon did, like Diego did, like a lot of these other guys in Austin, and just make it easier, we posted 237 jobs in May. It's almost hard to comprehend how many jobs we posted. And if you zoom in, you can see like the earnings on them. I mean, just come on, guys. What are you doing? Go down. First link in the description. Let us make it easy for you. Catch you in the next one.